Because Uddhava is the son of Devabhag. And Devabhag is a brother of Vasudeva. Okay? So that makes I believe so. That makes Uddhava the cousin, brother of Krishna. So Uddhava is sham color. Has beautiful long black hair, and beautiful eyes, lotus eyes. Same family, same bloodline, transcendental bloodline, so to speak. Very, very beautiful. And what kind of clothes does he wear? He wears Krishna's prasadi, like any true devotee. True devotee will just want all prasadi, Guru prasadi, Krishna prasadi, Sadhu prasadi, Vaishnava prasadi. Oh, this bag, this shoulder bag was given to me by so and so Baba. This is my pride and joy, and whatever. Whatever. So many patches are on it. Why so many patches? So no. My gurus, my Param Guru, did 50 years did Madhukari with this bag. And collected rotis and anior. So it was given to my guru. And then he did Madhukari for 60 years or 30 years. And so he gave it to me. So that's why it's mostly patches and not much bag left. But it has all those memories and all that. So this is Tadiya Vastu. Tadiya. These are transcendental objects related to my divine guru, my divine master. I saw with my own eyes these things. And that's very strong sanskaras in me. And I treasure these sanskaras. The bhakti sanskaras are the wealth of the bhakta. Yeah? Mm-hmm. The memories, the experiences with the saints, they're special. Krishna is Sadurlavam. Saints are also Sadurlavam. Krishna is less Sadurlavam, less rare. Sadhu is more rare. Krishna is not very rare. He's quite easily available because he's in everyone's heart. He's in every atom. Sadhu is not in every atom. He's not in every heart. He's localized. He's not Bhagavan. So it's rare to see the sadhu or meet the sadhu.